Best 3D Printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 9K Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D Printer is a high-performance, feature-rich 3D printing solution designed for both hobbyists and professional users seeking precision and speed. It comes equipped with a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD, enabling ultra-high-resolution prints with fine details and smooth surfaces. The printer supports a range of resin materials, including ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate, making it versatile for various projects, from detailed miniatures to functional prototypes. One of the standout features is its high-speed printing capability of up to 150 mm per hour, significantly reducing production time without compromising print quality. The Mars 5 Ultra incorporates smart automatic leveling and intelligent detection systems, which simplify the setup process and ensure consistent results by detecting errors or abnormalities during printing. Additionally, Wi-Fi transfer functionality allows users to send print files directly to the printer from a computer or mobile device, streamlining the workflow and reducing reliance on USB drives or SD cards. The printer has a substantial build volume of 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.49 inches, offering enough space for medium to large-scale projects while maintaining precision and detail. Its sturdy black ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate frame ensures durability and stability during operation, with overall dimensions of 9.06 by 9.06 by 17.05 inches and a weight of 8.8 kilograms, making it compact enough for desktop use without sacrificing performance. Overall, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra combines high-resolution printing, rapid output, and intelligent automation, making it an ideal choice for users who demand both speed and precision in resin 3D printing. Its combination of advanced features, durable design, and ease of use sets it apart in the growing market of desktop resin 3D printers. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer with Auto Bed Leveling. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer is a robust and feature-packed FDM 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality prints with a large build volume. Constructed with a durable aluminum frame, the printer combines stability with precision, ensuring consistent print results. Its black color and sleek design make it a professional-looking addition to any workspace, while its overall dimensions of 23 by 9 by 19 inches and weight of 22 pounds provide a sturdy yet manageable footprint for a desktop setup. One of the printer's standout features is its large printing size of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, allowing users to create substantial models in a single print, from prototypes to functional parts. The dual-lead screw drive system enhances stability and precision on the Z-axis, reducing wobble during tall prints and delivering highly detailed results. The dual-geared direct extruder ensures reliable filament feeding and consistent extrusion, supporting various filaments including PLA, ABS, and TPU. The Neptune 3 Pro also comes with auto bed leveling, which significantly simplifies setup and calibration, reducing print failures and improving first-layer adhesion. Its removable capacitive screen adds convenience for monitoring and controlling prints while providing a smooth, intuitive interface. Overall, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro combines advanced mechanical design, reliable extrusion, and a large build volume to deliver a versatile and high-performing 3D printing experience. It is suitable for both beginners who want ease of use and advanced users who require precision and stability in their projects. With its durable aluminum construction, intuitive controls, and dependable printing features, the Neptune 3 Pro represents a powerful and flexible option for desktop FDM 3D printing. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max 3D printer is a large-format, high-speed FDM 3D printer engineered for both professional makers and serious hobbyists seeking rapid, high-quality prints with precision. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it offers durability and stability during extended printing sessions, while its sleek Anycubic Kobra 2 Max design provides a professional appearance suitable for desktop or workshop use. The printer's overall dimensions are 30 by 29.5 by 7.25 inches, with a weight of 21.28 kilograms, making it a substantial yet manageable large-format printer. One of its most notable features is its massive build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters, 88 liters, enabling the creation of large models, complex prototypes, or multiple smaller prints simultaneously. The printer supports ultra-high-speed printing up to 500 millimeters per second, reducing production time while maintaining remarkable print detail. Its auto-leveling system with Smart Z offset adjustment ensures precise first-layer adhesion and simplifies setup, even for beginners. Additionally, the vibration compensation technology minimizes mechanical vibrations during printing, resulting in enhanced print quality, smoother surfaces, and finer details. The Kobra 2 Max also delivers enhanced print quality and reliability, supporting a variety of filaments such as PLA, ABS, PTG, and TPU. Its design emphasizes user-friendly operation and stability, allowing consistent results across large-scale projects. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max combines large-scale capability, high-speed performance, and advanced leveling and vibration compensation features, making it ideal for users seeking efficiency without sacrificing precision. Its combination of durable construction, extensive build volume, and intelligent printing technology positions it as one of the most versatile and reliable large-format 3D printers available on the market today. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Resin 3D printer is a high-precision desktop resin printer designed for hobbyists and professionals seeking detail in fast prints. Equipped with a 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, it delivers ultra-high resolution, enabling intricate models, miniatures, and prototypes with smooth surfaces and fine details. The printer utilizes stable light turbo light source technology, which ensures even UV exposure across the print area, improving accuracy and reducing layer inconsistencies. One of its key strengths is fast printing at up to 70 mm per hour, allowing users to complete detailed resin models in a shorter time compared to many standard resin printers. The print volume of 6.04 by 3.42 by 6.49 inches provides sufficient space for medium-sized projects while maintaining high-resolution output. The Photon Mono 4's frame is constructed from ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate, offering durability, stability, and precision during operation. Its compact dimensions of 10 by 10 by 15 inches and lightweight design of 3.5 kilograms make it easy to place on a desk or workspace. The printer supports laptop and personal computer connectivity, allowing seamless file transfer and control. Its combination of a high-resolution 10K screen, rapid printing speed, and stable light source makes it ideal for users who need reliable and detailed resin prints. Overall, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 offers a balance of speed, precision, and ease of use in a compact and durable design. It is suitable for hobbyists creating detailed models and for professionals requiring a desktop resin printer capable of delivering high-quality output efficiently. Its advanced features and stable construction make it a strong choice in the resin 3D printer market. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D Printer, 2024 new version, is a high-performance FDM printer engineered for users seeking speed, versatility, and precision in 3D printing. Designed with a robust glass and aluminum frame, the printer ensures stability and durability, reducing vibrations during operation for more accurate prints. Its overall dimensions of 25 by 15 by 22 inches and weight of 27.33 pounds make it a substantial yet manageable desktop machine, suitable for home, workshop, or professional use. A major highlight of the K1C is its extremely fast printing speed of up to 600 mm per second, enabling rapid production without compromising quality. It supports high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with a variety of advanced filaments, including carbon fiber, ABS, PLA, PTG, and other engineering-grade materials. The auto-leveling feature simplifies setup by ensuring the print bed is perfectly calibrated, reducing first-layer errors and failed prints. The printer features a clog-free direct extruder, designed to deliver consistent filament flow, minimize jams, and improve reliability, especially when printing high-strength or composite filaments. Its compatibility with laptops, personal computers, and tablets allows easy file transfer and control, providing flexibility in workflow. Overall, the Creality K1C 3D printer combines speed, high-temperature capabilities, and reliable extrusion to meet the demands of both professional makers and serious hobbyists. Its sturdy frame, advanced features, and versatility with various filaments make it ideal for large, complex projects, functional prototypes, or high-strength components. The printer stands out in the 2024 lineup as a fast, precise, and dependable option for users who prioritize performance and material flexibility.